How to dub YouTube videos. YouTube dubbing is about to hit us and is going to take over the platform by storm from early 2024.
We just hit 100 million subscribers!
Currently, big YouTubers like MrBeast use it to leverage multiple views from multiple countries on his platform and his content. No need to have 5-6 multiple language channels, MrBeast Spanish, MrBeast Russian. You can put it all in one place, publish one video, have multiple language tracks, attract all of the audience in one place. That's one of the reasons why he smashed through 200 million subscribers in November 2023. And you can do it too. I'm going to show you every step on my computer, but first you'll need to get your multi-language audio track. And I suggest you get it from Voquent. Voquent is a human-based dubbing service that adds the human sparkle to your videos in multiple languages. Depending on their package, they can fully manage the project in every aspect of dubbing process, from translation through to final delivery. Multiple tiered packages, dabble in a starter pack, see how they go, listen and find the voice that you feel matches you, and then scale up over time. Even go back through your back catalogue and get that dubbed as well. Voquent can help YouTubers pick the right language for their niche, maximize views and increase ad revenue earnings. This way you're not just speaking in English, dealing with only English advertisers. I could be sat here speaking in Spanish and get some of the largest Spanish companies. Portuguese, Afrikaans, Urdu, Hindi. If MrBeast can do it and it amplifies his channel, why shouldn't you? And best of all, right now there's a link in the description down below, and if you mention Alan, that's me, then they will give you 10 minutes worth of free dubbing of any language that you choose, subject to terms and conditions. Now you've got your audio track, let's go to the computer and I'll show you how you can upload it and how it will help you. First thing you will need to do is go to your YouTube channel. If you are logged in, you will see these options here, and you click on Manage Videos. You can then choose the video that you wish to add your dubbing to and click the little pencil. On the left hand side of the editing page, you will see subtitles. This is where you can add a language. Scroll down and find the language that you are looking for. I've chosen Portuguese for this example. You can add your subtitles, you can add your description, and when the feature is rolled out in 2024, you have the audio section. You upload the audio track that you have downloaded from Voquent, and now when you go to the video that you wish to watch, you click Settings, you'll see Audio Track, and these are all of the dubbed audio tracks that have been uploaded. Sit back, enjoy.